Parents, this is our last equation in our interactive math notebook. So we're going to go ahead and start by splitting up our 41 by our tens and our ones place. And you know, this is really starting to ingrain in their minds. They're doing much better today. They're getting some practice in. All right, so we just split up our 64 and our 41. So now what we're going to do is we have our ones place. We always start with our ones place, and we have 4, and then we're taking away 1. And what's really good to do is always relating it to something in the real world. I like to relate it to money because they're starting to understand money, or I always relate it to something silly like donuts or tacos or something silly like that. It catches their attention. So I would say I have $4, and one of my friends took $1 away from me. How many would I have left? And that's just making that real world connection. That's really going to help them out here. All right. So then I would go to my tens place, and we're going to be silly, and we're going to say I have 60 tacos, and my class ate 40 of them. So how many would I have left? And the easy thing to do is you are almost doing it like a basic algorithm, like you're stacking it. So I would say, what's 0 minus 0? And of course, the kids would say 0. And then I would say, well, what's 6 minus 4? And they would say 2. But then I would ask them, well, is it really 2 or is it 20? And they would say, of course it's 20 because it's in our tens place value, okay? So that's how you can explain that to them, breaking it down for mental math. That's really going to help them with that mental math. So again, we're going back to the tricky part of 20 and 3, okay? So we need to make sure that we add. So 20 plus 3 is 23.